It's got a slap delay in there as well. Echo boy. And I wanna do something cool with some echoes to make, because it's like I said, it's all very rhythm based. I wanna play around with a lot of effects as it can take, and will sound good, obviously. Go back to the FM1. Just gotta play around a bit with some echoes, echo box. Ooh, that sounds cool. All right, I'm gonna automate that. That can be useful in some places. Just put a mix down. Just to fill up this gap a little bit. Gonna cloak it a bit with some reverb. Could do the same thing I always do. It's almost as like it goes automatically. You can hear how much space that creates. It almost starts to sound like a trance track, if you ask me. But that's what I wanna. That's what I wanna achieve. I wanna not achieve something that I've heard before, and now I actually on purposely made the first bass house trance track. Maybe, who knows? Let's continue.